If you're wondering whether the Acorns investment app is worth using in 2025, here's the breakdown. Acorns is designed for beginner investors who want a simple, hands-off way to grow their money. The app rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change into diversified portfolios of ETFs. It also offers recurring investments, retirement accounts, and even banking features with a checking account. The biggest advantage is its simplicity. No complicated charts, no confusing trades, perfect for someone just starting out. On the downside, Acorns charges a monthly fee that can feel high if your account balance is small, and it doesn't allow for individual stock picking or advanced trading. You also won't get the same level of research or tools that traditional brokers offer. That said, for casual investors who want to automate savings and investments without thinking too much, Acorns is convenient and effective. It's not for everyone, but for beginners, it can be a great starting point. Like, subscribe, and if you have questions, let me know in the comments.